Hello students, Standard 7, Subject Max. Today we will start Chapter 4, Simple Equation. This is the flow chart I have drawn to explain you that what are the topics covered in this chapter. Okay, so first introduction. What we will learn in this, what is an equation, what is called an equation. Okay, then how to form an equation, how to put values and solving an equation. Then last topic is application of simple equation, means practical problems, so problem sums. Okay, so these are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter. Now see the introduction I am giving you. Introduction, what is an equation? Now what is an equation? That for this you have to first you should know, suppose if I am writing x plus 4, so what is x plus 4 expression? And then if I am writing x plus 4 is equal to 6, that is called an equation. If simply I am writing this, that is not an equation. Okay, this is expression called. And x plus 4 is equal to 6, when I am writing with equal sign and this number, that together form an equation. So x plus 4 LHS and this equal sign should be there, and RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, equal sign should be there. So equality sign shows, that is called an equation. Okay, in equation variables are x, y, z, p, q, r, these are coming now, they are called variables. Okay, this is called expression, this together called equation, and these alphabets are coming x, y, z, p, q, so on, they are called variables. Now how to form an equation? Forming an equation, suppose if statement is given, the sum of x and 4 is 9. So how you will write equation? X plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, sum means addition, so you have to write like this, x plus 4 is equal to 9. If difference is given like subtract or difference, so this way you have to write take away. Suppose 2 subtract from y is 8, so 2 is subtracted from y, so y minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, multiplication or product, if it is there 5 times, in product means multiplication times will come, so 5 times a number p is 20, so p is how many times? 5 times, so 5p is equal to 20. This type of statements will come, you have to form equation. The number b divided, this is divided by 5 gives 6, so b upon 5 is equal to 6. Upon is there, I have told you earlier also, it is divide. Upon form is given, you have to consider as divide. Okay, if this equation is given and then you told to form statement, how you will see, convert equation in statement form. This is equation given and we have to form statement. So if it is given example x minus 5 is equal to 9, so how we will write? Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Okay, if it is given x plus 7 is equal to 15, the sum of x and 7 is 15. This way you have to form statement. Now how to put value? Suppose if it is given, see here careful, this is important. Suppose example, if it is given x plus 4 is equal to 10, is equal to, here in first chapter I have told you, before is equal to LHS is called, this is u, and our left hand side is called LHS. LHS means left hand side, and RHS means what? Right hand side. So right hand side is given 10. Now instead of x, if value is given 2, you have to check whether we are taking 2, then equality is formed. So instead of x we are taking 2 here, and 4 as it is. 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6. And your right hand side given 10, so they are equal? No, they are not equal, so we have to write this on not equal sign. So therefore 6 is not equal to 10. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, if I am taking same example but x value 6. Okay, so instead of x we are writing 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Here also right hand side given 10 only, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This type of sums will come in the example in exercise. You have to solve this. Okay, now how to, very important concept, this is your solving an equation. So there is two method. One is you have to put this 3 both the side, but this method is not suggestible. I will suggest this transposing method. Here it is easy only. See what you have to rule form. You have some rules you have to form. See here what you have to do. Your x plus 3 is equal to 8 is given. Now this plus 3 will be go our right hand side. Left hand side 3 will go here in right hand side. For this one rule is there. If it is plus, it will become minus. When this number comes to this side, another side of equality, then the sign will change. So this rules is there. If LHS goes to RHS, if plus sign is there, you have to do minus sign. If LHS transposing to RHS, if there is a rule, so you have to follow that rule. If it is plus sign, you put minus sign. Minus sign, you put plus sign. Multiplication sign, divide sign will come. Divide, then you do multiply. So here also see the same thing. X plus 3 is equal to 8. Now we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to this 8 will as it is, and this plus 3 will come minus 3. See, and then x is equal to 8 minus 3 what? 5. This is your answer. Okay, this is your equation answer. Another example I have taken. 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. So 2x means multiply, so we have to take same as 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 7 plus 5. Here so see 2x is equal to 7 as it is, minus instead of plus 5. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 upon this. This is multiply. We will go divide form and it will come 6. So x is equal to 6. Now last topic is practical problem. See, for practical problem you have to first of all form and read the question, analyze it, understand it, and then first you form an equation. Form an equation, then solve it. See example I have taken. The sum of number and 15 is 27. Find that number. So here see the sum means what? Plus a number, we don't know that number, so you take x, y, a, b, any variable you can take, and 15 means plus and is equal to 27. So in the flowchart form you first do it. X, that number we don't know, so we put x, y, any variable, then 15 is given is 27 is equal to 27. So in the statement form we will write like this. Let the number be x. Okay, we have supposed this is x. Let the number be x. Adding 15 to it means you have to add 15 with this number. So we will get x plus 15. Total is given what? 27. So x plus 15 is equal to 27. Then solve it. x is equal to 27, plus sign is there, put minus sign, and 15 as it is, and x is equal to 27 minus 15 is equal to 12. The number is 12. This way you have to do in this chapter. We will start in next video exercise 4.1.